What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video today. So also you can see the STI is pulled out. Top bar in the middle, because y'all can tell by the thumbnail and everything. And another mod coming in for the Type R. So I feel like I might as well just show y'all now. We got a set of Swift springs for the Type R. Here are the rears. No, I lied. Here are the fronts. Rears are down there. Y'all probably wondering why we're doing springs and not coilovers. And it's because the Type R does have active dampening, aka like you can change to like different modes. We wanted to keep that. We didn't want to deal with the light like how we did with the coilovers on the SI and everything like that. So as of right now, in the future we might change it up, but each one's a little drop, so nothing crazy. We're gonna go ahead, keep the comfortability and everything like that, and just get the springs. Right now, Tim's jacking up the car. Once car's full jacks, then I'll get back to you. All right, car's in the air. For some reason, the front two wheels were extra torqued down for some reason. We had to get a whole breaker bar set up. It was crazy, just for the front two wheels. But let's go ahead and take the wheels off. I'm probably gonna do the rears first for the lower spring. All right, wheels are off the car and everything right there. We're not gonna do an in-depth video or nothing like that. Just gonna kind of do the parts and everything. I'm actually gonna follow the video from Stanley Float Up. Right here from Mod Infinite. It's a super in-depth video on everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that on this top corner right here. I'm gonna go ahead, set the camera up. Let's get started with this. Let's get started on the rears first. The rear's done. Just gotta tighten it down. All right, back's fully done, torqued down everything. Let's go ahead and move on to the fronts, which should be, well, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be harder. I'm gonna take apart. We do have the correct tool for it, like a spring compressor. I'm gonna show you how that works real quick. And then after that, just go straight to the install, you know what I mean? You feel me, feel me, feel me? I know y'all here for the Type R, but look at the STI though, bro. God. It's so dirty. But that sunset lighting. Hit different, bro. But yeah, let's get to work. It's cooled down, but it's still pretty hot outside, so let's get to that.
Use that. That's where it worked. It was twisted. No, bro. It wasn't. The whole thing was rotating. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
All right, quick little update. We did not have any offset wrenches, so right now we're going to the store to pick it up. And look at that black side BZ truck. We're at. We made it. Let's go get their stuff we need. This is all we needed. Kind of wish they weren't double-sided, but good enough. All right, let's get back to work on this. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I love this new lighting. It makes it so much easier to work with the garage closed. Plus, you can still see everything, even though we have no lighting down here. Like, see how bright my hand is? Still see everything. Easy. All right, get back to work though.
Back. I swear. Yeah.
I just want me with a hat. I had to take it off. It got too hot. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The front struts of the Type R is a pain. I think since we got back with the wrench, I don't know how much footage y'all had before this. I cut off. It got too hectic. I'd say take about 2.5 hours to take out this one strut right here. Let me show you. Just this to then compress. I've had so many methods. We finally got it out. Jesus Christ, it took forever. So many bolts everywhere. Let's just go ahead, get that put back in there after the new spring is on. All right, update y'all. I'm tired as hell, but we got the passenger side done. So now I'm on the driver's side. But here's what it looks like. Gonna be honest here, it looks almost the same. It's just a different spring. But that shit was a pain to take out. But here's the rear for y'all. Full spring. So, I'm not gonna time lapse. I'm so tired. I'm trying to get this shit done. Take a shower, go sleep. But, go ahead and start on this side. It is currently 12:30. Let's see how long this takes us to do. All right, currently, let me check real quick. Just finished, currently 2:52. I don't remember the last time I said it. I think it was like 12 some. 2:52, close to 3 hours, I guess. But everything's finally done. I dropped the car. I'm beat as hell. Tim's beat. Hands are dirty as hell. I'm dirty as hell, y'all can tell. And I'll show y'all what it looks like lowered now, but then I'll show you later when it's settled. Yo, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This actually dropped a lot more than we thought, which is good because we put the work in for it. It looks pretty good right now, but we gotta let it settle. But this is the before it's settling, and I'll show you the after later. Damn, it actually kind of looks like mine whenever I had the stock fitment on with the 19s. These are 18s though. Probably why it looks a little better. But yeah, actually not bad. We gotta let it settle, so it might change, but yeah, it's pretty good so far. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So from the last clip I saw, it should be about 3 days later, if I'm not mistaken. But the springs are finally settled, and here's the final outcome. I can't show y'all during the day because kind of busy day, couldn't film during the day. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it looks like now. As you can tell, there's a little bit of camber front and rear. Car wheels is cooked because it's rain. But look, it's pretty good, pretty good. If you were to get some spacers though, it would like sit right here. It should be pretty close. He kind of wants it a little lower, but for what it is now, it's pretty good. See a little bit of camber right there. Boom. But I'd say it's pretty good fitment though. Here it is, let me show you the rear. Rear is almost the same. I say less camber though. Well, it's a pretty decent camber. But I think if he were to say like he had flush fitment, I think it should kind of be like, this is still pretty high, but it should kind of be like sitting right there-ish on the tread, somewhere around there. Overall, I say it looks pretty good. Ain't gonna lie to you. But if y'all did like the video, I hope y'all can go down, help your boy out with a like and subscribe and comment down too. I'm not gonna lie, that was probably the worst car install experience I've ever done. That's excluding the SI's coilovers. God, suspension on the Type R, I mean, suspension on the Honda is just crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Coming from a Subaru world, in my opinion, it's a lot harder than Subaru, but still pretty fun to do. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video though. I'm gonna see y'all later. See ya.